Hi everyone, Ian Aldridge here today from Progressive Legal, talking about our trademark monitoring service. What we want to do with trademarks is once we get them filed, we want to keep an eye on anybody else that's coming along and might want to try and file trademarks underneath yours, or they might come up as an objection to yours, or yours come up as an objection to theirs. We want to make sure we keep an eye on anyone trying to get on the register with something same or similar, or deceptively same or similar, just to make sure that if they do somehow get through and convince IP Australia that that their trademark is able to be registered, you've got the opportunity at that point within a 2-month window to oppose their trademarks. There's a lot of trademarks that slip through the register because the IP Australia doesn't notify you as a trademark registrant when somebody else is coming along and trying to register a trademark that's same or similar, where there might be an objection raised to their trademark because yours is on the register first. They get obviously notified because they'll get an adverse report saying this other trademark owner is here, tell us why you should, convince us why we should give you this registered this trademark and allow you to have registered rights under the Trademarks Act. But there's no automatic notification to another trademark owner that someone is trying to register that. And so that's why it's great to have just a search done every month, just to make sure nobody else is coming too close to the brand or anyone or parts of your brand, any of the marks that you've got registered, just as a way to enforce your intellectual property rights and just make sure that nobody else comes along and starts to confuse the market. And then you find out later, oh wow, how did they get a registered trademark? Unfortunately, IP Australia does allow some trademarks through from time to time, which we think they shouldn't have, and which our clients think that they shouldn't have, because they're just too close for comfort to us. They're human beings at the end of the day, and mistakes can be made. But once that trademark is registered, it's very difficult to take it off the register without going to court proceedings. So if you're monitoring a trademark that gets filed and we're watching it every month as it's going through the process, if for some reason they are able to get it through and convince IP Australia, you've only got a 2-month window to oppose it, and you want to make sure that you're there first and can file an opposition to the trademark during that time, which is not a court process. It's done through IP Australia. And then they have to, you file a notice of intention to oppose, and then they have to file a notice of intention to defend, etc., etc. And then they file evidence of why they should be awarded this trademark, and it just makes the process a lot more difficult for others to get their trademarks through. But once they're registered, you need to go to court to correct the register after that date. So you want to make sure you're doing it at that time, rather than trying to convince a court why this trademark should never have been registered. The courts, although they generally don't presume that trademark owner is correct by just getting on the register itself, because they can obviously correct the register afterwards. It just makes the process way more difficult, far more expensive, and the outcome is unlikely. Once somebody else has already got a trademark registered, you then need to explain sometimes as well why you've delayed, or what the doctrine of laches, why you weren't monitoring your own trademarks. So you're kind of a bit on the back foot in that respect as well. Just best to oppose the trademarks if they get accepted at the point in time. And having a trademark monitoring service, we charge a fixed fee for that, a small amount each month for each of the trademarks that you have. And they're a great way of enforcing your intellectual property. Come and see us for more advice. Happy to have a chat and go through your various trademarks and provide a quote. Thanks.